Welcome to Nomad Data's DocChat. DocChat allows you to process information from over 100,000 pages of documents a minute. DocChat can help answer specific questions hidden across thousands of pages, extract information from those same documents, or even perform document-based workflows by looking things up across documents to accomplish specific tasks. First, let's run through a basic information lookup example. To start any DocChat, simply click New Search. When we create a new search, we can choose which sets of files as well as which specific files. Files can be organized by company, project, patient, folder, or any other custom hierarchy. For this basic example, we'll look up what our cancellation terms are with Nomad Data. After that, we'll see which specific products were licensed. In DocChat's response, we'll see quotation marks. These are citations which show me the specific document and page the information came from. Clicking on a citation will open the underlying document and bring us to the exact page in the case that it's a PDF file. This was a basic example using a single small document. DocChat can just as easily process an M&A deal room with tens of thousands of files and hundreds of thousands of pages. It can even handle spreadsheets. Now we'll walk through a quick example of how to extract data from documents. First, we'll select which company's documents we want to extract data from. This can also be done across many companies. Here, I select a folder of NDAs that Nomad Data has signed in order to create a spreadsheet from them for easier tracking. Now I enter a detailed description of the data I want to extract. For my NDA example, I want to know the counterparty, NDA type, and termination clause for each document. After a short period of time, DocChat returns a link to the newly created file. Here we can see that the file is highly structured and can easily be analyzed. We have changed the file name and counterparty names here to protect confidentiality. This data extraction is invaluable if you want to extract data from thousands of documents. Example uses for this include scanning M&A deal rooms to add up revenues across contracts, find employment contracts missing key clauses, ensuring all the needed licenses are in place. In insurance, this technology can scan tens of thousands of policy documents or create detailed timelines of patient treatment across thousands of invoices. Another incredibly powerful mode of DocChat is redlining. You can choose a specific document for DocChat to mark up in the same way you might mark up a document. In this basic example, I ask it to mark up an NDA to make it into a mutual NDA. In under a minute, DocChat displays back the original document with all the proposed edits. The most powerful way to use redlining is to train it. Nomad Data can take your previously redlined documents to train DocChat to redline in the way that you would, learning from your past edits. This can save you enormous amounts of time in turning around first versions of edits to a vendor, partner, or client. The last feature we will walk through is called document agents. Agents don't just summarize documents. They have a specific goal they are instructed to achieve. They then figure out how to navigate through the documents to create complex reports, make decisions based on the information they find, or even perform actions when they complete. In this example, the agent will traverse through dozens of files related to a medical claim received by an insurance company. Its job is to summarize the claim and to make a recommendation as to whether the services are covered. In just a few minutes, this agent has accomplished a task that takes the average claims professional several hours. Here we see the recommendation that the claim should be approved, along with a rationale. The claims professional can always make the final determination, but here the AI gets them up to speed in a matter of minutes. This same approach can be used to generate investment research, produce investment memos, create legal notes, and more. Thanks for watching a quick demo of DocChat. Keep in mind that Nomad Data can create customizations so that AI can perform more nuanced tasks that exist in your organization.